This project is YouTube data analyst using Flask framework. Now I am showing the running process of this project. This is my source code. First I copy my file path and compile on Anaconda prompt. In Anaconda prompt, first I change the directory. After that I enter my running command. In this project my running command is python run.py. Once I enter my running command, after that it's give one local URL. And this is my URL. Once I copy my URL, after that I paste on Chrome. So this is my home page. Here we can register my ID. First I go to register dashboard. In register password, first I enter my username. After that I enter email ID. After I enter my email ID, I enter one password. After that I click the sign up button. Here my username and password is saved. After that I sign in my account. So here first I enter my username. After that I enter password. So it's login successfully. This is my home page. In my home page we can compare two channels. So first I search one channel, DLK Technologies. After that I compare one CP. So click search button. So it's showing some of the channels. So here I select one channel. After that I select one CP channel. And then I compare these channels. So the channels is showing the results. This is channel titles and this is video title, and here is showing the running view comments, view counts, as well as the title and channel titles and their links. Here we can compare the two channels video counts. So channel names and videos counts, and then duration of the videos. In that way we can compare the two channels. In video analyzer dashboard we can analyze the comments. So here now I enter one channels commands. So driving, here it's showing the driving related videos. So in these videos have 33 comments and 8,217 likes. Here I select this video. In this video have 73 comments and 510 likes. So here is showing the comments reports. Here it's red color dot means a negative sentiment, and the green color dot is positive sentiment, and the blue color dot means neutral sentiment. In that way we can analyze the positive and negative neutral comments. In sentiment analysis portion we can see the graph, sum of the comments over time. So here we can see the positive and negative sentiment comments. So here we can see the sentiment and like counts. In that way we can analyze the comments positive, negative sentiments. After that I have one logout portion. So now I log out my account. Thank you for watching.